Hi everyone, it's Eric from Build Marketing. As some of you may know, we ran a workshop last week in partnership with Quintivation about using video in your social media marketing. And the workshop was well attended. We had over 30 people. We just want to thank those who took the time to come out to attend. And as is often the case in workshops and seminars that we do, we get quite a lot of questions. And one came up which was about technique of doing videos when you're working alone. And the question was about, if you're using a smartphone, is there a way to set up a timer delay for the start of the video recording so that you could get out from behind the camera and get in front of it before the video starts? Now, on the native camera app that comes on iPhones, there is a timer delay, but it's only used for still photos. You can't use it for video recording. And so I did a little bit of digging around and I found a camera app with a self-timer for video recording so that you can do that. I'm just going to do a little demonstration of it so you can see how easy it is to set that up and to work with it, and maybe you can grab it and use it in your own videos. Here's the screen capture for my iPhone, and what I did was I did a quick search on the App Store and I found an app that's called Video Self Timer. This is a free app, and I checked, I saw that it's also available on the Google Play Store, so it is available for Android users. So this app will work for both iPhone and Android, and this allows you to set a delay for your video recordings. So you can set a delay and get in front of the camera before your recording starts. And I'll just go to the app itself and just take you through what you need to do to set that up. It's relatively simple, just a few quick settings before you start your recording. So there's a setting here where you set the delay, which is called Start Recording After, and it gives you 10-second increments, so you can set a delay that's several minutes if you would like. We'll just choose 10 seconds. And then you also have to set a duration of the video. So it requires that you set an end point when the video will stop recording. And again, it'll do 10-second increments right up to several minutes. I'll just choose 20 seconds for our purposes. And then you have two more settings here. You can turn the flash on throughout the video, and you can also mute your microphone throughout the video. And I'm just going to hit the big camera button here. That brings up another menu where you can set the speed of the recording. So normal speed is 30 frames per second. You can go right down to a slow-mo option of 240 frames per second. I'm going to choose normal. And before we get started, it brings us up to our screen so we could frame our subject properly, make sure that that's in frame. It shows us the settings that we've selected, and we can choose to edit those if we felt that that a 10-second delay wasn't long enough. If the duration time wasn't long enough, we could also change the resolution, and we have this one last opportunity to turn the flash on if we want to. So we've got 10 seconds. I'm going to hit the camera button. You see there's a flash, tells you that the countdown has started. This gives you the time to get out in front of the camera. And of course, as you're running out in front of the camera, you wouldn't see that countdown, but as you saw and heard, you get a flash and a beep that lets you know that the camera has started to record. And now we've got our countdown for our duration going, but we can just pause it or stop it. We don't have to go to the full length that we've selected. So if we finish what we have to say before the duration time ends, we can just hit stop. And that brings up a menu. We have options where if we were happy with the recording, we could just share it out to YouTube or Facebook, wherever. We could go into an option, a trim option, where we can do a little bit of editing of the length of it. And if you hit cancel, it will just save the video to your Photos app. So I'm just going to go there to my photo album. You can see there it is. It's 17 seconds. In the bottom right corner, that's the video that I just recorded. So that's how you do video recording with a delay using the Video Self Timer. I hope this helps you. Go check it out and play with it and have some fun.